We provide bank loans, small bank loans to primarily restaurants, but also doctors, the whole medical area, retail. And really what we're known for is a little bit longer term for an unsecured product. We have no collateral, we don't ask for any collateral, and our terms typically are 1 to 3 years. Anytime that they're approved, for example, for a $400,000 loan, they only need $100,000 right now, that balance is available on a line of credit for 6 months. So that's extremely popular. I call it sleep good at night money. It just sits there, there's no cost to it, and they know that they have access to working capital next day when they need it. You know, it's mezzanine type rates, so it's a little bit more expensive because it is unsecured, we don't have any collateral, so there's no reason for them to have the money sitting in their bank account if they don't need it. We have products that include partial interest only, so that we can reduce the payments. We do like a 52-week loan with a 78-week amortization. We're very creative. We customize each deal for each customer. We can go up to $400,000 without tax returns and financials, so we can fund quickly, 5 to 7 days from start to finish. And we go up to $750,000 unsecured, and up to $2 or $3 million. We can do larger deals as well. Well, many of the brokers we've worked with before are really referral partners. So they might be accountants or attorneys or business consultants. We've had some business brokers as well, but what I've noticed is the level of professionalism, the fact that they have a variety of different products. They go into the customers looking for every aspect they can help, whether it's, you know, short-term unsecured lending like we provide, equipment leasing, SBA, whatever the products are. The customer doesn't have to go out and talk to different people for different things. It's kind of a one-stop shop is kind of what I get. We've been working with CCTG for about 3 months, and I've been very impressed with the brokers, you know, how they approach the business, that they really care for the customers, for their customers, to provide the lowest rates, the best products. It's not about them and their pocketbook necessarily. That's one big thing I've noticed. In this industry, there are a lot of brokers out there, all they care about is their pocketbook. In this case, it's about, we want to do the right thing for the customers, and we do that enough, we're going to make a lot of money doing it. From what I'm experiencing so far, maybe they were you know, selling mortgages, maybe they were doing accounting, and now they want to do more, or maybe they want to completely go off in a different direction. But in many cases, I'm noticing that they have all those contacts from their previous you know, kind of previous life with whatever they were doing, and they're bringing that to bear here. But just the fact that they're willing to go take a course and learn, spend that much time and energy and money, quite frankly, to learn and you know, then have those skills to bring back to their customers, it impresses me. I mean, you know, whether you're going back to college or whatever, I mean, that's impressive. 90% of what we fund is restaurants and hospitality. So of course we funded some very nice restaurant deals in the last 2 or 3 months with CCTG. You know, 2 location, $440,000 restaurant deal, $300,000, 6 location, $250,000. I mean, there's several of them. But we're also bridging SBA, or we're able to provide our cash to customers that thought they were going to get SBA. But for whatever reason, you know, the bank wouldn't do the deal. So, you know, we've got a $900,000 deal closing this week that probably would have been an SBA deal. So, you know, larger deals, longer term in the unsecured lending world, between 1 and 3 years is considered longer term. Those types of deals, what we're doing. So what I've done for the last 3 months is I've called in while they've been there for their week of training and spent about a half an hour with the current class, and then followed up with some of them after that week of training. I am going up next week to do the training in person, but the response is incredible. After you do the training, they call you, they reach out, and really my approach is I want to make you more successful. I want to help you. In many cases, they didn't even know our product was available, so I want to make them successful selling a product they didn't even know existed and adding a whole different arm to their business. And kind of the, basic blocking and tackling that can pay the bills, while they're waiting on their larger commercial real estate deal or something like that. So I really am kind of guiding and mentoring them in my way. I've got 18 years of experience doing this to help them build their business. There's restaurants in every city. If they happen to be in Chicago and have never worked with restaurants, we can help them learn how to do that. This will be my first trip up there to really meet everybody, meeting them at this conference. I've interacted on the phone and webinars and whatnot, and everything's been very professional. Everything they've told me they were going to do, they've always done. So, I have a limited experience with that, honestly, but I'm looking forward to getting to know them better.